Okay, this is part 3 of the same topic, adverb. I hope that you have seen other parts also. If not, please see it. It's already uploaded on the YouTube channel. Okay, now adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree explain the level और intensity कि कितने लेवल का कोई भी वर्ब है, एडजेक्टिव है या दूसरा एडवर्ब है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑलमोस्ट, क्वाइट, नियरली, टू, enough, just, hardly, simply so. So these are the words which tell us that in a particular sentence adverbs of degree is used. The next type of adverb is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency explain how often the verb occurs. कि किस टाइम पर और कैसे जो भी वर्ब है, एडजेक्टिव है, वो कैसे होता है. दे आर ऑफन प्लेस डायरेक्टली बिफोर द मेन वर्ब ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. ये सेंटेंस के मेन वर्ब के डायरेक्टली पहले ही आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेवर, always, rarely, sometimes, normally, seldom, usually, again. So these are the words which tell us that in a particular sentence adverbs of frequency is used. So there is a small exercise with the help of which you will be able to find out which type of adverb is used in a sentence. Find out what type of adverb is given in a sentence. First, I haven't been going to the gym lately. Here ly is used, so it is an adverb of time. I rarely eat fast food these days. See, now I just before this I have told you that rarely is an adverb of frequency, so adverb of frequency is used here. We went into the cave and there was bats everywhere. Everywhere, adverbs of place. We recently bought a new car. Recently, adverbs of time. Can I come to the movies too? Adverb of degree. They always go to the same restaurant every Friday. So here it is adverb of frequency. A fat orange and white cat rested lazily on the sofa. Adverb of manner. I am so excited to see the new James Bond movie. Adverbs of degree. There are not any Pokemon here. Let's look somewhere else. Adverbs of place. Somewhere else. The young soldier folded his clothes neatly in a pile at the end of his bunk. Adverbs of manner. So these are some sentences which will help you in finding out what kind of adverb is used in a particular sentence.